Hi guys and gals, it's time to talk about scales and how to play them. If you learn this as a beginner, it would be really good for when you advance to some more hard stuff, because creating good habits from now will just make things way easier for you. You'll be able to learn how to play with all of your fingers rather than figuring that out when you're playing something that's 10 times as hard. So the one rule of thumb to keep in mind is keeping finger 1 for fret 1, finger 2 for fret 2, 3 for 3, 4 for 4. So we're using all of your fingers rather than just one, even though you could possibly do that at this stage. Notice how much quicker you can move each individual finger rather than your whole hand to different frets, and how much more effortless it sounds. Now you must have noticed my hand go up the fretboard, but I'm still keeping one finger per fret. Following this method will also help you get your eyes off of the fretboard, because by using just one finger per fret, your fingers will know exactly where to press in order to get a certain note. And this will make things way easier for you when you're trying to learn a new melody, some new chords, or playing with a band, or playing on stage, because you'll be able to look up and look at your audience, and who doesn't like some audience interaction? I'd really like to send you over some scales and exercises that I've written, and they are actually pretty simple, but they introduce technique, they'll make it easier for you to play scales overall, they'll teach you how to skip some strings, and how to keep one finger per fret, which is what we talked about today. They're suitable for beginners as well as advanced players, because of their unique style. And what I've called them is ultimate scale exercises for guitar. Pretty cheesy, right? Oh well, can you come up with something better? Please let me know in the comments below and I'll change it for you. Anyway, I'd love to give that to you for free, as well as some other exercises, tips, and regular behind the scenes stuff. So just click the link below this video and let me know who to send those to. Looking forward to empowering you on your musical journey and seeing what you get up to. Bye! I'm a cool metalhead. I'm a cool metalhead. I'm a cool.